Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. If you're part of my family, thank you for subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, I hope you are here to stay. Today we're going to make some snack recipe or kid fast or some snacks to small donuts. So here we have our ajab, flour, sugar and milk. Kwa hiyo the red bowl tuko na, kwa hiyo orange kwa hiyo the orange bowl tuko na milk. So tutaweka 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar because tunataka ikuwe na sugar mob. So our second tablespoon, then we stir kabisa hadi sugar ingie kwa milk, like zi mix well, then nitaendea salt. Juu pia lazima tuweke salt kidogo ile for flavor, isikue too sugary. Then there is me na baking powder. Hiyo ni baking powder. Tumeka baking powder, juu tutatumia baking powder pia. Baking powder alafu salt. Unaona? Salt kidogo, si salt mingi. Kidogo tu for flavor. Ndio isikike kwa mbali. So ndio hiyo tuko na milk, salt and sugar and baking powder. So tutamix. Kumbuka hii milk ni cold milk. It's not warm milk. It's just cold milk fresh from the packet. Hatuja boil or anything. Tutatumia cold milk or you can use cold milk or cold water. That is if you don't want to use milk, you can use cold water. Pia if you're using yeast, mimi sikuwa na yeast, so I used baking powder. If you're using yeast, don't use cold water or cold milk. Use warm milk or warm water. But if you don't have yeast ni baking powder too, you can just use cold milk or cold water or pia warm milk or warm water. Na depend na if you want them zifure zikuwe kubwa, use warm milk or warm water, ndio itasaidia ile yeast ikuwe activated. So ndio hiyo tunairap kidogo tu, si for long, just kidogo. So we are done. Tutaweka kando, then tutafuta our working place ikuwe safi. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So let's sit na clean our working place. Then on the next step ni hiyo our big bowl. Tutaweka our unga, one bowl na ingine pia 2 bowls. Take 2 bowls of flour for the big bowl. So tushaweka our 2 bowls of flour for the big bowl. Haya sasa ndio tunaweka our spice, cardamom ni optional, tunaweka ndo inuke poa. So it's optional if you want. And our other mixture, our milk and sugar and salt and baking powder. Then we start mixing kila kitu pamoja. Hatukandi unga, just mixing itoe not too soft and not too thick and not watery mixture. So ndio sisi we are going to add water. Juu ile mix yetu ya milk tushatumia cold water just from the tap. Then we will mix and mix. I've told you if you want big balls, kama unataka ikue if zifure na unataka to big balls, utumie warm water. But if ni kitu ya haraka and you don't want you don't need it zifure, you can use cold water. Hii ni kitu ya haraka, it's just a 10 minutes snack. Ni kama vile unatengeneza a pancake. Ni kama unatengeneza pancake, just chop. Sasa you mix it vizuri ikuwe thick, not too thick and not too watery. So we'll go for our mwiko. And we start mixing the mixture. So here we mix. Ikue not too thick, not too watery. Ikue tu hapo in the middle. Na tukandi, we're not kneading or anything. No kneading. Just, you see, just making kama ka mixture of pancake. You see, but sasa this one is too thick. You continue mixing hadi itoe a soft or smooth pastes. Continue mixing hadi itoe a smooth pastes, like ikue smooth kama vile a pancake or cake. Yes, but not too thick, not too watery. Kindly go and subscribe to my channel. Go and hit that notification bell. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and like and share and comment. Thank you for the new subscribers that I've been getting lately. I really appreciate. Continue subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoy my videos, and I hope you can learn something from those very simple recipes. Continue mixing. After mixing and all that, say unaona inaanza kuform a very beautiful and smooth mixture. Usichoke kumix, you mix kabisa. If you feel kama it is too watery, you can add some unga. If you feel kama it's too thick, you can add some water. We are almost done with our mixture. Sasa tunataka kuifunika for a bit. So we'll use our wrapping paper kuifunika for a bit. So tutaifunika for a bit, for just a few seconds, ama hata a minute. Haitakaa. Tunaifunika ndio ishikane zote, iform like ikue one, zishikane zote na zikuwe na ile time ya kukaa pamoja. Then tuweke our oil in our cooking pan. Ndio we are testing kama it's ready. You see those bubbles, inaonyesha kuwa your oil is not yet ready. You have to wait hadi bubbles zipungue kidogo. Then here is our unga. It is now ready. As you can see, it's now ready. We'll use our hands to scoop. No spoon needed, just your hands to scoop. and you go on and go on. Then you wash your hands, unazichange the other side. Kuscoop all the time, una scoop with your hands, alafu naosha mkono, unatumia a spoon, una change the other side.